Here at Lori Beds, we've designed several mattresses specifically to be used in Murphy beds. They're structurally reinforced to be durable when stored on end in your Murphy bed over a long period of time, so they don't slump and fall apart over time like a normal mattress will. My name's Brendan. I'm one of the founders of Lori Beds, and in this video, I'm gonna show you what to expect when your mattress arrives, how to position it in place, and get the mattress out and onto your bed easily. Begin by carefully cutting the tape on each end of the box so you can open the flaps. Then, lay the box on its side. With the help of a partner, pull the compressed mattress out of the box. Pull off the outer layer of plastic wrap to expose the inner mattress packaging. Unfold the mattress with the help of a partner. Carefully cut the plastic along the side of the mattress. The mattress will expand to full size. Remove the remaining plastic from the mattress, lift it onto your bed, and strap it into place. And your mattress is ready to go. You could give it about 24 hours to expand all the way, but honestly, it's pretty comfortable just like it is. Let us know what you think.